Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Magnifica XS with us in the shop. And it came in because there was issues with the brew unit and how it was operating, and the machine wasn't able to brew any shots. After opening up the panels and then testing the machine, all this machine really needed was a tune-up. This is deep cleaning the entire inside of the machine, replacing the brew unit with a brand new one, and also replacing a lot of the gaskets that are involved with brewing, and making sure that the routes that water flow through in this machine, whether that is on the steam side or on the brew side, are nice and open. So what we did was cleaning cycles on the spouts, did entire um, uh, descaling program on the heater blocks, of course. And yeah, and so now we're just going to quickly test the machine. We're just going to brew a single shot, just because we have a small cup here. You're going to hear the grinder turn off for a little bit, and then you're going to hear the brew unit move into place, getting ready to be tamped against the mechanical valve, as you can hear there. And now it's going to start brewing. It's going to do a few seconds to begin with, just some sort of pre-infusion, and then it's going to fully ramp the pump all the way up, and it's going to start brewing. As you can see, running really clean. We did multiple cleaning cycles on this machine so that we could get those spouts nice and clean. So I ran until it ran clear. Yeah. So secondly, we're going to quickly test hot water. As you can see, you're going to get a steady stream there. We did descale this machine, so your thermal block should be looking healthy. Then we're going to quickly turn this off, and then we're going to heat up those same thermal blocks to start doing steam. So we're going to wait for it to activate. Now we're going to open it up. And we're going to start seeing the pump ramp. Yeah, if you were to take this out, nice and steady stream of steam. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.